Carlon is the top of the line of boxes that you can get and use in residential applications. We've used other brands before in the past, and I would prefer not to use them at all. I try and swap them for Carlon boxes if I can. Carlon makes things simple. I like the multiple features that Carlon boxes offer. There's a box for every scenario on the job. We have adjustable boxes, there are old work boxes, new work boxes. So depending on the situation, Carlon offers a box that get us through the job. The ADJ boxes, which are the adjustable boxes, have been very nice to install in kitchen backsplashes. But the go-to box I would say is the B120R, which is the old work remodel boxes that we use in new homes and remodels. The usability of these boxes are unmatched to other products.